Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic of Roman numerals. Very easy topic. We have to just keep in mind certain rules and then easily we can solve all the questions. What are these rules? Just go through it once. First we have a basic chart, that is the 7 basic rules which we need to remember every time we solve the question for Roman numerals. See 1, 2, 3, all these are what? Hindu, this is known as Hindu Arabic numerals, and for that some Roman numerals are given with certain rules. So that what are the 7 basic rules that we will see. Then second is that with that rules, like for 1 it is 1, for 5 Roman numeral is 5, then for 10 it is, this is the way X we need to write, then for 50 we use letter L, for 100 we use C, 500 we use D, and 1000 is M, letter M. So this is the 7 basic which we need to remember every time we solve the sums. So next rule is what? Add value up to 3 times. Now when we are going to write for number 3, what we have to do? We have to do 1, 2, 3. So 3 times we have to add the value. This we will see later in brief in the description. Then smaller or greater value. Fourth is what? Subtraction only once. Once only we have to do subtraction. What? I will explain to you later. No symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. This is done here. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. And VLD symbol are never subtracted. So keeping into mind these 6 rules, we will solve the. So this is the basic chart, the 7 number chart which we need to remember every time. Okay. So what was that first rule? We have to add the values, add the symbols only 3 times. It is not repeated more than 3 times. So how? For example, if we want to write the numeral number, Roman number for 3. So we will write here 1, 2 and 3 times. Okay. If we want to write for 4, then we will not write like this because it is added only 3 times. It will not be repeated more than 3 times. So what we have to do here, coming towards the third rule, that is the subtraction rule. When the smaller value is written on the left of the greater value, that means it is subtraction, and when the smaller value is written right of the greater value, that means it is addition of the number. So now see how we will do here. For 4, what is the slab here? 5. For 5, we can do here 5 minus 1. So what do we have to do here? What is 5 symbol? V, and this is a greater value. Smaller value will be 1. So we will write the smaller value symbol in the left so that we will form the Roman numeral for number 4. So this is the concept of smaller and greater value. Suppose if we want to do for 6, 6 will be what? 5 plus 1. So 5 symbol is V, and when we add 1 means we have to write that smaller value which is smaller than this V. So we will write here 1, and this is a Roman numeral for number 6. Okay. Suppose we have to write for number 91. Now what we have to do? For 91, again if we make it if you simplify it, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 91. So now you can see here how you will write L, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 1. So now you can see here, what is this? This is repetition of the same symbol for more than 3 times. So this is wrong. This is wrong. How we can solve this 91? First we have to solve in other way. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 will be what, friends? It will be number 90. Plus if we do here number 1 plus 1, then it will serve our purpose, 91. So how we will write the symbol here? We will write the symbol as C. Again, minus 10 means from the greater value we will subtract the smaller value by writing it on the left side of it. 10. What is the symbol for 10? X. And plus 1 means again 1 here. So this is the symbol, Roman numeral for number 91. Okay, coming towards our next question. Now, suppose if we want to write numeral number, Roman number for numeral 18. So 18 again we can do like this. We can simplify 10 plus 10 minus 1, again minus 1 we can do. So it will be what? 10. 10 and 2 times subtraction of smaller value, so we will write here. So here friends, this is wrong. So now here comes our fourth rule, that subtraction for any smaller value is done only once. So we cannot go on subtracting to left any of the symbol for more than one time. Okay, so how we can write here? Again we will bifurcate 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So correct answer will be X, V, and this is the correct Roman numeral for 18. Now suppose if we want to do for 19. 19 what we will do? Again we will write 10 plus 10 is 20 and minus 1 if we do from 110, then what will happen? 10 plus 9 is 19. So again we will write 10 symbol. Again here 10's greater value minus the smaller value. So here you can see 1 is subtracted, is once only. So this is correct. But here 2 times it is, the symbol is coming here 2 times on the left of the greater value. Smaller value cannot be repeated, cannot be subtracted twice from the greater value. It is subtracted only once. Okay. Coming towards the next number, suppose the number is 21. So 21 how we can do? 10 plus 10 plus 1. Simple. X and I. So here many of the kids are having confusion. If we have to do it other way round, X, 1, X here. Suppose this is the number here 19. So many of the kids what they do? They say that this is 10 plus 1, it is 11 plus 10. So no, this is wrong. Correct way is 21 is 10 plus 10 and the smaller value comes to the right of the greater value. That's why this is the correct way. This is 21 symbol. Okay, coming towards the next question. So let's again revise what we had done up till now, the 3 rules, the basic rules. Suppose 4 how we have to do? We don't have to write here like this. This is absolutely wrong because once the symbol cannot be added more than 3 times. So what we have to do? 5 minus 1 will be what? V, and left towards the smaller value will be this is a symbol of 4. Okay, coming towards for 40, same. 50 minus 10. So L greater value and subtracting the smaller value by writing it to the left. Okay. Same for 400. 500 minus 100. So it will be what? D minus C. Now this is here greater value and this is the smaller value. Okay. So next question is again number 169. Again I will explain you according to the rules so that you will understand better. 169. 169 means again how we can simplify this? 100 plus 50, that is what? 150. Again if we do add 10, So it is what? 160. Again, what we have to do here? 10 minus 1. This will be what? 9. So 100 plus 50 is 150, 160 and 169. Again you check like this. So what will be 100 value? C and L plus 10 is X, and this you know 9, 10 minus 1. So this is a Roman numeral for 169. This is the way we have to do. Now friends, why we cannot do here bifurcation as 4? Why? Because same symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. We cannot repeat. If we have to write like this, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, then what happens? This is repeated 4 times, which is wrong according to the rules of Roman numerals. So what we have to do? We have to see it other way. Now you can do 10 minus 1. So here it is 9. Okay. Coming towards the next question, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is very easy. Only thing you have to see the simplification how you can do. 1000 plus 100. Again 100. What is this? 1200. Now 3. 3 means again we have to take the tens number 3 times. 3 times we can take, but more than 3 times we cannot take. Okay. Plus 4. 4 means we can do like this? No. The answer will be wrong. We have to do 5 minus 1. Okay. Keeping into mind all the rules, we will solve the questions. M. C is again 100, 100. Then 10, 10, 10. And 5 minus 1. So this is a Roman numeral for 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easily you can solve all the sums by learning this chart and keeping into mind the 3 main rules of the Roman numeral. Suppose the number is 1968. Again we will bifurcate. 1000 we can see here. Now for 9 what we have to do? You can say 500 plus 4 times, again we have to do 100 then. Plus 100 plus 100. So is this correct? No. Because same rule, we cannot repeat the value for more than 3 times. So other way we have to think. What is the other way? 900. For 900 we can use again 1000 minus 1. This is 900 plus 50 and again plus 10, and this is what? Again we check 1000, 900. This is done. Now 50, 60 and 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So again you have to check, because this is very very important. Again you check, again you further check and then you write the symbol. Then you have to do, the thing is only writing the symbol, seeing your table. Okay. So we will write here M. Then M minus 1. M minus 1 means M minus 100. M minus 100 means C here. Okay. 1000 minus 100 will be what? 900. And then 50. 50 is L, 10, 5 and again 3 times. Now again we will check this. 1000. Then 1000 minus 100 is 900. 50, 60 and then this is 60 and 8. So it is 1968. So coming towards the next question. Now if we have Roman numerals and we have to find the numbers, so how we can find? Now again it's a vice versa question. Let's check. First of all, we have to search the greater value. Greater value means M, D, C, L, means comparatively which is greater in this. So which is greater here? This value is 10, this is 100, this is 5. So this is the greater value. So first we will start with the greater value. 100 minus, why minus? Because it is coming in the left. So it is minus 10 plus 5. So what will be the answer? 90 plus 5 is what? 95. Okay. Similarly, again we will check in this question which is greater value comparatively. This is 10, this is 50. So which is greater value? L. So first we start with greater value, then we will check left or right where the smaller value is. So 50 again minus 10 is what? 40. Okay. Now you see here comparison of both the question so that you will understand better. This is 50, this is minus 10, and again this is here, so smaller value is right to the greater value. So we will start here 50 minus 10 plus right side is the smaller value, means it is add. So answer will be what? 41. Okay, very easy. Now coming towards the higher level of question which you may have doubt, you may get confused. So which is a greater value in all these three? Greater value will be what? M. Start with the greater value 1000 plus, because the smaller values are coming towards the right, we will go on adding 100 plus 100 plus 10. Why x is plus? Because it is again coming towards the right of the greater value. Okay, the very next value is the smaller value, and this smaller value is coming towards the right of this greater value. That's why we will add. So again we will add. Now addition also you should be in keeping very much the precautions how you should add. Starting with the ones place. Ones place all 0. We will write here 0. Directly we can add. No need to do here again. You have to write the number. Again you add. All those multi-purpose tasks you don't do. Simply start with ones place addition. Nothing is there. Now tens place. Tens place here you can see 1. 100 place 1, 2. 2. And 1000 place 1 and 1 is 2. So directly you get here addition of this answer. No need to write again and again and do the same work, double thing. Now again we will start here. Which is a greater value here? This and this. So first start with 1000. Now this is finished. Now you see here with this greater value there is a added smaller value to the left. Now what we have to do? Greater value minus, what is the value of C here? 100. This is the thing you have to keep in mind. Till here it is finished. Now see which is smaller, greater, you have to relatively check. This is again greater, this is smaller, which is in the right we will add. Plus 50 plus 10 again plus 10 till here finish. Now again you check here. This is again smaller value coming to the left of the greater value. Now again this is what? 10 minus 1. Okay. Further solving will give 1000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 10, 60, 70, and this is what? 79. This is what? 79. So the answer will be what? 1979. Hope friends you are cleared with this chapter, the concept of Roman numerals. So if you like my explanation, if you really have any doubt of it, please ping me in my YouTube comment box, and please share, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.